infrared satellite weather loop that shows tropical storm Ian, which is forecasted to become a major hurricane by the time it hits the Tampa, Florida area on Thursday. But as of now, you can see that it's forming quite nicely, and it's gonna give a lot of rain and damage in Jamaica, and but the major rain and damage is gonna be in Cuba, and then obviously when it hits landfall right over here, which is in Tampa, it's going to be either a Category 3 or maybe even a 4 hurricane. God forbid a Category 5. Um, so, anyways, I just wanted to share this weather loop with you all and keep you informed. Let's zoom in a little bit more on Jamaica and see that weather loop. See how it's forming